Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on emergency location service function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So, where to look for this option, how to turn it on. First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for location, and here we have location services. And now we are looking for emergency location service. There it is. So we have the switch at the top, and here we have some explanations. What does it do? How does it work? Etc. etc. But if we want to turn it on or off, we can use this switch at the top. It's a simple on-off switch. There are no other switches nor options here. And that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.